What's up guys? Yes, hello. We are now at the day 2 of this daily vlogging. It's as if it's an accomplishment already. But for today, I want you to meet someone.
Meet turtle. Ninja turtle kissing guy.
He names a turtle?
Ninja.
No, ninja.
Ninja turtle. Ninja turtle. Kiss guy.
Gab gab, eat gab gab turtle.
Eat gab gab.
Wala pa ba na nagis?
Gab, what can you say about the turtle? Huh? What? Gab gab? Bibi? Bibi. Whoa! Ah! Gab gab.
What's up guys? So we are now in a motorella on our way to the beach. What's the name of the beach? What's the name of the beach?
We call it Gudo Beach. It's named after our grandfather, Godofredo.
Interesting. Ato ano yung beach? Beach? Hindi ba name basta lolo di man di ay. Happy New Year! Magay ka ni Nay. Happy New Year, Nay! What's up guys? So we are currently having a fam bam with my relatives from my father's side. If you didn't know, I belong to this very huge family and I used to stay with them when I was like 7 or 8 years old, and we always go here at this exact beach. So I'm feeling a little nostalgic right now because there was this one time when I went into this exact beach and there was this little crab who pinched my finger. Luckily I got rid of it, and yeah, I'm feeling just nostalgic now and it's really amazing to be here. So we really have to leave early because if you can notice over there, we think that it's about to rain. So yeah, we better hurry. Wow. The dark clouds is covering the sky.
Look at the clouds.
Ang sabi mo?
Look at the sky. It's covering the clouds. Look at the kids. They're having fun while there's a rain.
They're having fun while there's a rain. Look at them. Dagan oy, ulan.
Sa ulan.
What's up guys? So unfortunately, we were caught by the rain. Woo, it's so cold. So cold. For you. We're fine. Here your one's caught by the rain. This one's fine. Look at his lips. It's turning violet. Uy, boy. Masayaw yapon. Cold? No? Dance, dance? Watch me whip. Watch me nene. Watch me whip, whip. Watch me nene. What's up guys? So I'm finally home. We kind of left Malubog early because we were so wet in the rain, and I immediately went to a local internet shop here in Hingaog City to upload yesterday's video, and I spent 2 hours for nothing because I had to leave the video at 70% because the internet was just so crappy. However, I'm editing today's video, so I guess that will be like all for today. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Jomie Hospital saying, mahal ko kayo. God bless you!